quite universal in nature.
Your skin color, your features, they don't matter. This makeup will look gorgeous on you guys nonetheless. So yes, I've used only affordable makeup products in this tutorial because I wanted to keep this tutorial easy and affordable. So yes, if you want to know how to get this Eid look on, then please keep on watching.
For primers, I'm starting off with this Miss Claire primer, and as usual I'm going to start from the centers of my face and work this outwards. Gonna pop my foundation on. I'm using the Maybelline Matte and Poreless foundation with the help of the Sigma F80 brush. So I'm first just applying this all over my face with the help of my finger and then buffing it out with the F80. I've been really enjoying the F80 in downward strokes like you can see me doing here. This just gives such a flawless look because it is actually making sure that your peach fuzz or the facial hair just lays down and doesn't stand up and be silky. So pokey. That song is so irritating, but I just remember it right now. I don't know why, but yes, that's what I'm doing. And then I'm taking Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I'm gonna not overly highlight my face. I'm just applying it wherever I need to make my skin look fresh and awake, to make my skin look more healthy. I said to make my skin look so many times. Yes, I'm just applying it on the highest points of my face and also around my mouth because women of color like me tend to have like pigmented areas right there. And then I'm using that same F80 brush to blend all of this out. I'm also taking this concealer on my eyelid to sort of like balance the discoloration that I have there. Dark circles. Let's get real. And then I'm going to take the L'Oreal Matte Magique powder. I'm going to set my face, especially under my eyes, because this concealer does crazily crease. So yes, you want to make sure it's all set and stays put all day long or night whenever you're wearing this makeup. Then I'm going to take the Freedom Brow Pomade, and I have been loving this product. It just makes my brows look so good, like on fleek. I just really like how this makes my brows look. And if you guys are looking for something that is easy peasy and not cheesy, I don't know, that doesn't even make sense. But anyways, if you're looking for something like that, this is a really nice option to go for. I'm just working in short strokes like you can see me doing here, and that is all that I'm doing for my brows. Going into the Maybelline Nudes palette, I'm going to pick up this beautiful shade. That's the first shade. It's a pearly shade, and I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid with the help of a dome shape brush to get a nice wash of color all across my eyelid. I'm also going to take it on the inner corners to brighten my inner corners up. Putting this under my brow as well to highlight my brow bone. And using the same brush, I'm going to highlight my nose and also my cheekbones. I know this is not like the perfect brush to highlight your cheekbones, but I wanted to keep this with minimal brushes, so that's why. And then I'm just blending it out with my fingers in circular motion like you can see me doing here. Then I'm going on my forehead, between my brows, and also on my chin and cupid's bow to get the glow game on. From that same palette, I'm going to pick up this brown shade and I'm going to put this into my crease. So I'm just blending it. This is the Makeup Revolution E103 brush, and I'm just going to, softly diffuse it all over my crease. So I'm going in circular as well as windshield wiper motions, as you can see me doing here. And I'm also flicking it outwards, just a tiny bit. Not a lot of it, but just a tiny bit. I'm going to take the PAC Auto Liner, and this is quite creamy and extremely jet black, guys. So first I'm just going to line my waterline. I'm going to go all the way to my inner corner. This does make a really big difference. So yeah, just go all the way to your inner corners, and then I'm going to sort of take it on my lower lash line as well as like flick it out right there. So just make sure you follow your natural eye shape and flick it out. I'm also going to tightline. This is graphic content, but it's not as scary or dangerous as it looks like, trust me. From that Maybelline palette, I'm going to pick up the black shade on a crease brush or a dome brush. I'm going to smudge my lower lash line as well as the wing that I've made. I'm going to drag it quite low and see the difference that it makes. And then I'm going to take Essence Big Lashes Mascara. I was eventually going to apply false lashes, but then I decided that this mascara is the bomb.com and I don't need false lashes. I'm going to show you a differential shot in a while once I'm done applying my mascara on my top and my bottom lashes both. but it's just a very good mascara. See what difference it makes? And then I'm going to take this blush because I'm going back to my face. I'm going to complete my face. I'm going to apply this blush. It's a beautiful blush from Studio West. It just gives such a nice finish and it looks like I'm working so hard on my face. I'm not actually. And then taking this Color Bar Oat Latte lipstick, liquid lipstick, I'm going to apply it on my lips. The thing is, this lipstick looks different on every single person. I've seen people wearing this having a mauvey undertone, a brown undertone. On me personally, it's quite pink because my lips are quite pink. Now, the actual pigment of your lips really matters when it comes to any sort of a lipstick, and my lips are quite pink, and that's why this looks more like a pinky brown on me and not like a mauvey brown on me. Yeah. And then I'm taking this Makeup Revolution bronzer. Just tie everything down by bronzing my face. This is completely optional. You might just want to skip it. Do it by all means. I'm just applying it on the right points where the sun would tend to hit me. Just bronze up my face a little bit.
With that, I finished my e-tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, then don't forget to comment and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Also, don't forget to check out all of my social media, which would be in the bottom bar for you as usual. And I will see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye.